Okay, let's make a nose. So I've got some clay and I'm gonna compress it between here and here. In my hand, I rotate it a little bit and compress it. Kind of force any air out of it to kind of wake it up. I can just make a simple shape, kind of come into a point. And if I tap it on a table, get a flat edge, you can see that would go on like that. It's a little big though. A little bit big for this pinch pot. So I'm going to take my pointer and just go. Sound effects help. I'm going to make kind of a pointy nose. So I kind of make a triangle, or I did with this one anyway. This will be the bottom of the nose and this will be the top up here. And this will be the surface that gets attached like that. And it still looks a little big. I'm going to take my pointer again and make a cut like this. I could take the same shape and put it on like this for a nose, or I could put it on like this for a nose. Either way would work. But this is the basic shape I like to use, where this is a triangle here. Both of these sides are bigger triangles, and this is for the most part a triangle as well. This looks a little more natural, like a real nose. This is kind of just a funnier nose. I'm gonna go with the funnier nose. And it helps to smooth out an attachment before you ever put it on, because once it's attached, it's a lot more difficult to smooth. And it also puts pressure on the point of attachment, can make it weaker. We don't want to do that. Ching. That's gonna work. So let's see here. Let's have this be like the center. So when I put the nose on, I like to have enough room here for a mouth and enough room here for eyes and eyebrows. So the nose is just a little above center maybe. Maybe the bottom of the nose is kind of in the center from top to bottom, about like that. Of course, the bigger your pinch pot, the more flexibility you have as far as where things go. And I also need some nostrils. This is going to be the underside. So I'm just going to take a wooden skewer and make 2 openings. Like that. Smooth it out a little bit. Okay. Uh-oh, it's time to go to class. Let's see. I prefer to score the bigger item first. Like this is really, the pinch pot's like the base of all the other things that get made, right? So I score this first and just leave it sitting there. And then I score the part that's gonna be attached, which is kind of crooked. I made a crooked nose. Then I support the back side of the attachment area and I apply some pressure. And then we had some slip come out there. And I have a dry rag, have a paintbrush. Get the paintbrush damp and clean. Get the excess water off with the dry rag. And then I can get rid of the slip that came out. Also helps to get rid of any score marks that were left over. And I gotta stop and put on a mask.